Hockey, we don't crawl.
You can do it, Ethan.
Yeah!
Yay!
Good job, buddy! Way to go, and you even had your stick in your hand. You did a really good job.
I'm gonna go slow.
That's fine, we can go slow. We're just practicing. Good job.
Hey, look it.
Yeah, that's from your stick. Shoot the puck to my boot. Good one. All right. Yep, balance with your stick. Put some weight on your stick. Use it. Oh.
It's okay.
Hey, we need a shovel ice.
You can do it, Ethan.
Put one foot up. And now push up. Good job.
Yay!
That is really good, Ethan.
That's so good, buddy. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you.
Good job.
I did it!
Yay!
Yay! Oh my gosh, Ty.
Keep your feet together.
Oh.
See, even though you fall, it doesn't hurt, does it?
Hey, I skipped up by myself. I want food ice.
You got back up.
Yes, good job, buddy.
Ow! This is fun. The butt.
Your butt.
The booty. Ah, it's still funny.
It's okay. Everyone falls. Even big boys fall.
I fall.
I'm a big boy.
Yeah, you just gotta learn to balance. We're gonna buy you elbow pads and knee pads, okay?
Hey, can fall?
Yep. And we're gonna start skating lessons.
Okay. I get bigger. I can
Ethan is
My
3.
booty.
Tell the camera how old you are.
How old are you? Say it out loud.
2.
You're 3.
You're 3 years old.
Hey. I like it. I did it. Whoa.
Whoa.